Hello and welcome to another episode of Ken Training, where we want to train you how to tackle projects like this one on your own. Today's project is going to be repairing this plastic lid that I use for my salad containers. Now I'm going to show you where it's cracked here in the camera and give you different perspectives here, but you can see that this lid is completely cracked and I just want to repair it. So we are going to use these two products right here, which is just going to be super glue and baking soda. We're going to rough up the surface. I've got some used sandpaper here. This one here is 220 grit and this one here is 120 grit. And these are both used. They're not even brand new. So let's go ahead and get into this and we will see if this thing actually works. Okay, here's the cracked area right here. I'm going to take some of the 220 grit sandpaper. I'm going to rough that up as best I can. Okay, that seems to have really sealed it up really well on this side here. I only put it on the outside of the container. I did not put anything on the inside of the container. It is not cracked anymore. So for all intensive purposes, that seems to have done it. Although I can still see some liquid right there. I'm going to pour a little bit of the baking soda on that. I'm just going to try to work that in just to make sure that that's good. Alright, I'm going to just let this sit for a little while. Okay, in studying this, it looks like right here on the outside is just a little weak. I'm going to put a little bit more of the super glue and then some more of the baking soda. All right, I'm just going to let that sit for a little while and just try that. All right, it sure looks like I got it pretty good. I don't see anything that's compromised here. There's a little bit of extra material here. Now, if this is the container that I put the salad, or whatever into, just a plastic container. Now we'll see if the lid fits on. The lid does fit on. The lid fits on just right. So for all intents and purposes, this appears to be working really good. Take it off. And I'm just going to clean this lid up so it can be used. So I'll just put this in the dishwasher and see if it'll take some heat here. But it looks like I fixed it. Alright, that was just a super fast video repairing this thin plastic lid and using super glue and baking soda. And easy project. Only took me a few minutes, and it looks like I'm going to get some more life out of this lid. So I hope you got some valuable information out of this video. If you have not done so already, smash that like button down for me right now. Subscribe to my channel. I will catch you on the flip side.